Some TPT stores feel connected, organized, intentional. Other stores feel scattered, disconnected, harder to understand. And over time, that impacts far more than sellers usually realize. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've stayed consistently in the top 300 TPT sellers. And over time, I started realizing that organization is not just operational, it also impacts growth. A lot of TPT sellers focus heavily on creating products, but eventually, buyers stop experiencing individual products alone. They start experiencing the store as a system. And when the store feels scattered, unconnected, or difficult to navigate, buyers often become less likely to continue exploring because clarity creates momentum. Strong stores usually feel intentional, structured, and easier to understand. Products connect naturally. Categories make sense together. Buyers quickly identify what else might help them. That creates stronger browsing, more movement, and better long-term growth. Because eventually, organization impacts buyer behavior, decision-making, and overall store experience. This became much more important as my own store continued expanding. I realized my store needed more than additional products. It also needed stronger structure. The easier the store became to navigate, the easier it became for buyers to continue moving through the store itself. That completely changed how I thought about organization and strategic growth. Sometimes growth problems are not coming from visibility alone. Sometimes the store itself feels difficult for buyers to navigate. A lot of TPT stores become harder to grow because the store structure never evolved alongside the growth. If your TPT store feels scattered, overwhelming, or difficult to grow, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder linked below. It will help you identify what is actually limiting growth inside your store so you can make clearer strategic decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to break down how strong TPT stores create compounding growth over time and why connected stores grow very differently than isolated stores. I'll see you in the next video.